So we have spent the last week packing my mother-in-law's cousin because her daughter got accepted to a college in New York, so they're moving back there. So we've been packing a trailer, packing the motorhome, packing the van, and they are going to cruise cross-country to New York and move her in. I'm not lucky enough to go, but it's a fantastic opportunity for my kids to see the rest of the United States. So they're going to go on an adventure for summer. Bye, honey.
Bye.
Have a safe drive. You go golfing, Tom, while they're gone?
Yeah,
Let's
leaving
go.
in the morning.
Let's go golf.
I'm gonna go up.
Damn, that's right. You're leaving too. So I'm gonna be by myself.
You're by yourself?
I'm by myself with
Pretty
some
good.
dogs. It'll be nice. Nice month bachelor vacation. See ya. They gone.
Sewage pipe, yeah. So, yeah. Hey guys, so I gave you guys the update that the tire had busted, exploded, went everywhere, and we're guessing that the part of the tire that came out hit the sewage tank and cracked it, and then that's why it all started leaking, and then it's broken now. So now we have an extra spare tire, which is a good thing. So we're putting that on, and then we're going to a truck stop that carries tires, like change out the rest of them. That way that doesn't happen again. And they just got the tire off, so they're putting the new tire on, and then we're gonna go truck stop to replace the tires. So yeah, that's my news for you right now. Have fun watching whatever my dad puts in next. So I'm riding in the van now, but we're stopped once again because the tire pressure, what is it called? Yeah, the tire pressure is supposed to be at like 110, but it's at like 130 and 150. So you have to let pressure out of it, I guess, or air. Yeah, we have to let air out of it.
If you are traveling 80 miles per hour, how long does it take you to go 80 miles?
I ran the mile in about 9 minutes. If not, it's going to explode again, and we don't want that to happen, so. Update, we're in Colorado. Oh boy, we are about like 10-15 miles from where we need to go. Hi, Buck. Okay, so, good morning, people. It is our technically third day of driving. We haven't started driving yet, but last night we stopped at one of my grandpa's friend's house, and he owns a ranch, so I'm going around with my grandpa and my sister. Here we go. So I was told that there was a cellar. Pretty sure that leads down to the cellar. You can see a bucket of paint or two. There's a cat. Oh my god. So this guy has like a lot of land that goes all the way back there, but we have to be careful because it's supposedly hot right now, even though it's kind of chilly, but it's like their summer. So we have to be careful so that way we don't see any snakes. I'm actually kind of afraid because this cat has like been staring me down and it has yellow eyes and it's really creepy. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, porta potty.
If you didn't figure out by that driving in, I'm at the airport, LAX, we're Denver bound. So we made it, Denver. So why am I here? Well, I'm here to help out in driving because driving isn't going so well. Blown some tires, lost the gray tank and the black tank in the motorhome. Already had a bad alternator in the van. So yeah, it's a typical Kerber trip so far, but that's why I'm here to help out and drive. Not very much help moving with my knee and everything, but it's gonna be a fun road trip.